So you guys have been given the opportunity to get a first-hand look of what my makeup collection looks like. Kind of lit or whatever.
Since we on the topic, I wanna hold me someone who gon' get to know me, smoke with, chill with, a real.
Let's get Stushy. It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So today I'll be sharing my makeup collection with you guys. I have a ton of makeup, honestly, a lot of my savings, a lot of my checks, a lot of my money. I won't put makeup before food, but I buy makeup quite often. I've actually never showed you guys my collection on camera, so today we are going to dive right into it. If you're interested in watching, stick around. It helps me out a lot if you guys are sticking around for the entire video, so be sure to do so. Subscribe if you haven't already and join the gang. Yeah, I see that a few of you guys still are not subscribed, and I mean, if you've made it this far, if this is the second time that you've seen my face, like, you might as well subscribe. Like, it's 100% free. It's not gonna hurt. It doesn't like affect your bank account or anything. All you gotta do is click that button down below, and be sure to click the notification bell button. That way you are alerted every single time that I upload a new video. YouTube will send you the alert. And right now, while you're at it, give me a big thumbs up. That doesn't hurt as well. That is also free. It's okay to like a video. It doesn't tell me who likes the video, so if you're watching this and you might not like me, it's alright, and you like the video, just give me a big thumbs up. It's not gonna hurt. So you're already here, might as well do it. So enough chit chat. A lot of you guys may know that my makeup is in my IKEA 9-drawer storage unit, and it is right behind me. You guys often see this in my background in a few of my videos. So yeah, a lot of my makeup is in here, so we're going to dive right into those drawers, and then I'll also show you guys my everyday makeup area setup station, so you guys see how that looks as well. So let's get into it. As you guys can see on top, I just have like some perfumes, a candle, my bamboo plant that you guys see peeking through, and also my letterboard that just shows like my subscriber count. I also use that whenever I table at pop-up shops, so you'll see that every now and then. I'm just going to be focusing on my makeup for today. First drawer has skincare. Not going to spend time on that again because we're talking about makeup. We're not focusing solely on skincare today. So second drawer, we start with our makeup. So I have all of my palettes inside of this drawer. You guys see that I have a few Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love the Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows. I like the price point that they stand at, a pretty affordable range from $35. I think they've upped it to like $40 now, but still not bad for the amount of shadows that you get, and they are rather pigmented. My top three in this entire drawer will be my Jackie Aina palette, my Jaclyn Hill palette in collaboration with Morphe, and also my Modern Renaissance palette. That is also an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Upon making this video, I realized that I have some more Morphe palettes, but I just don't know where they are. Once I moved back from Buffalo, I organized this. I organized my makeup, but some makeup I just can't seem to find. It has to be packed up in some bin somewhere in my house. But these are the ones that I use or draw to the most. So these are what you guys are going to be seeing. But I do have some scattered somewhere in my in my house. You also see some highlighter palettes, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have Violet Voss in here. I have Juvia's Place in here. BH Cosmetics, Morphe. So there's a few different brands that I keep, but these are all of my eyeshadows. So upon me opening the third drawer, you automatically see Caprel NYC. Woo woo! You see my packaging because, of course, I use my lashes every single day that I put on makeup at least. So you see my lash boxes, my tweezer boxes. To the left, I have all of my eyeshadow singles and pigments and things like that. I then have a few extra lashes that I used to wear before I started my very own lash brand, but some of them are higher in price, so I do keep them, like Lily lashes. I wasn't going to throw them away. I mean, I paid money for them at the end of the day, so I do still have those. I don't wear them now, but you never know, they might pop out. Yeah, I've just been wearing my own lashes. Then I have some compacts with some limited edition packages such as MAC. I do also have some Fenty Kilowatts in here, and then you see all of my lip pencils and eyeliners. I keep them all in one little thing. That's pretty neat. So anytime I need a lip pencil or eyeliner, I just go right in here and search through. And I didn't mention, I was able to organize my IKEA drawers with these bins that I found at TJ Maxx. If I could find something similar, if you guys are looking to organize your makeup a little bit better, I will link something similar down below. So drawer 4 and 5 doesn't really matter because I keep my perfumes in there, and that just, we're not going to get into that for today. If you guys want to see what's in the entire IKEA drawer storage, then let me know. I'll do an entire video just dedicated to that. Perfumes are in 4. In 5, I have all my nail stuff. We're not going to get into that either. Just a quick glimpse. So yeah, drawer 6 is the last drawer that contains some of my makeup collection. So you see I have a lot of my foundations. You guys didn't see foundations in any other drawer because it's designated to this drawer only. From MAC to Giorgio Armani to NARS. A lot of them I don't use anymore. If I feel fancy, I might pull one out. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, some primers. I also keep this little container filled with concealers. So I have concealers from different brands such as Makeup Revolution. I have a few LA Girl concealers in here. I do keep some lippies in here such as NYX Butter Gloss and things of that sort. Highlighters I also keep in here. Wet n Wild, different brands. Blush as well. That is pretty much it for this drawer, and that is all the makeup that I keep in my IKEA drawer 9 drawer storage. And I'm able to store all of my makeup in 3 of these drawers. So that's that on that. Period. So I've been doing this in my last few videos, so I'm going to do it in today's video as well. Comment down below the lipstick emoji if you are still watching. I'd like to see who's still engaged. So comment the lipstick emoji if you're a true Stush gang. I want to see you guys below in the comments. Now let's move on to my everyday makeup setup so you guys see what I keep out on an everyday basis when I am doing a full face or when I am just, you know, getting ready for work and stuff like that. So let's switch to that side. So you guys see that I have this pretty organized, or I try to keep it pretty organized. I purchased this rotating stationary organizer, and I actually put all my brushes in there. I love the fact that it spins, just really convenient that I don't have to like dig through or search through for my brushes. I just keep it in that and it just rotates, so I'm able to find a brush pretty quick. And you guys also see that my Capra NYC mirror is right up front because I use that on a daily basis. I do have my Impressions vanity mirror as well. That lights up. I keep it there just because I've always had it, and it's a pretty good mirror. It's bigger than my Capra NYC, so every now and then I'll have that turned on to the back. So in the first section I have foundations, primers, concealers, setting sprays, all organized in there, kind of like shoved in there if I'm being honest. In the second section I have some other little small samples of either primer, setting spray, mascara. I keep my highlighters that I use, that I draw to the most, in that section as well. And I keep blushes that I draw to the most in that section. I do also keep my tweezers up front, my eyelash tweezer from Capra NYC, my brand, that can be found down below if you guys were looking for an effective lash tweezer that can get your lashes on bada bing bada boom, quick. Then those are listed down below. I also keep the tweezers that I use to pluck my eyebrows. And in the last section I keep my bronzer, some Fenty Beauty. I have this Huda palette that I've actually been using pretty often, so I keep that out front just so I don't forget about it. I also have some my contour powder and a few more highlighters, Tasha primer, and my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip pomade. As we move to the second shelf, you guys will automatically see that I have an organizer that is solely for lippies. So I have in the first drawer my ColourPop lipsticks. Second drawer I have all MAC lipsticks. Third drawer I have some miscellaneous like MAC lip glosses, MAC lipsticks, and a few limited edition items. And then I have some more random lipsticks. So as if I don't have enough brushes, I have more brushes down here. So the brushes in here are being held in what was an old candle. Pretty innovative if you ask me. If you guys remember my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Kilowatt haul, then you remember that I got this bag in that purchase. So I keep a lot of random things in here. Let's open it up. And when I said a lot of random things, I meant a lot of random things. I have Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses that I haven't used as yet. I have some Fenty Beauty liners in here, Fenty Beauty lip glosses, Becca lip glosses. A lot of these are great for lip combos, so I keep them up here in the event that I don't know what lip I want to use. These are the ones that I gravitate to the most. guys have been given the opportunity to get a first-hand look of what my makeup collection looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see certain videos of like my top 5 favorite foundations or my favorite lip combos or something like that, let me know down below, because I'd be definitely willing to make that video or create that video for you guys. And even if you guys want to see what else is in my IKEA drawer storage, and even if you guys want to see everything that's in my 9-drawer storage unit from IKEA, let me know as well, because I'd be willing to make that video for you guys. I mean, if you ask, you shall receive. So let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join the Stush gang. We'd love to have you. Kind of lit or whatever. Just a little bit. Turn on your post notification bell button as well, so that way you don't miss out on the next upload. I don't know how many times I gotta keep saying this. It's like I say in every video. You would think that you would have turned it on by now, right? I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye. And it's just nice. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. I'll respond to you in, if you guys remember my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. If you guys remember my